everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing this Lost Kitties 5-pack. But before I read all this stuff, Oma was the one who got this for me as a gift. I don't think they want to see the gift bags. He also got another little gift, which was a book. But anyway, let's read. So it says Squad Goes. And there was just a ton of, on this one side, see? And then there was this kid, and then on the front, there was this big little kitty wearing glasses, which are not little. And it says 5 lost kitties. It says it's from Hasbro. And then, and then on this side, it says, Series 1, Lost Kitties. One kitty from Series 2. See, nothing too exciting. And then it says on the back, find 20 surprises. Find 20 surprises. And it says what it includes. It includes 5 Lost Kitties figures, 10 accessories, in compound, releasable storage bag, 5 meme stickers, collector seed. And that's it. See on the back here. Daddy, can you grab me a bowl? Oh, Oma, can you grab me a bowl to put the sapien compound in?
A bowl?
Yeah. I was just asking Oma for a bowl, but they were supposed to open it here, even though they usually open them from the top. This one's different.
Big enough?
Got it. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so I got white, chocolate, pink. So far I've gotten all the colors. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Rainbow. And rainbow. So I've gotten all 3 colors there, plus the Series 2 one. I'm pretty sure that one of these has double cats in it. I've seen a video about someone doing it. You also get a collector's guide. I actually do need one because I did save a collector's guide from the other openings, but those are at home. So I think these are the accessories, but I don't know what these are. So we're going to do this one last. So let's see let's check this out. Pretty sure this is real. I just saw in a video that they were different colors. But the guide's different, and the cats are different colors. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe the 5-pack special with cats in different colors. And they're supposed to be in memes. I don't know why that is. Tag extra. I'm pretty sure that, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait, I think that in the 5-pack there's exclusive kitties. I'm pretty sure that in the 5-pack they have exclusive kitties that are different colors. Let's open it. Well, without further ado, let's open up the pink one. And so we did get a bag to seal up the sapien compound. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I'm pretty sure that the 5 5-packs have special limited have special cats that. So the 5-packs with all of the the exclusive cats, so the cats that are different colors. You also need scissors to open the bags. I'm sorry I'm having to do it. I would get it. So I don't know what those little things are. Because here's the accessory. Let me double check what it includes. It'll say on here. So I'm just not sure what it includes. Thanks, Summer. Case, fingers, 10 accessory.
I don't believe you can grill
That's it. Don't know what the little things are for, so I'll find out. I'm not going to look at the meme sticker because that gives it away. I'll look at the meme sticker afterwards. There was supposed to be 2 accessories per thing, so there's 4 things. So 4 of these and 4 of these. Maybe they only get 1 accessory with the bags, or maybe they only get 1 accessory, and that's the second one. Because there's only 1 accessory in here. So now. And I'm pretty sure that these are scissors. Upside the sticks.
Sweetie, put these scissors over.
Oh, why?
There you go.
Oh, I have the scissors on. But I think that I will. Let's see. I need to clear. Let's see. So we got Pixie Pose. I'll have to check what group Pixie Pose in. I thought that it had a pool. I thought that Pixie Pose was in a pool floaty, but it's just his tail. Now for the meme sticker. I'll put the saving compound in because we'll need to use, because I don't want it to mix. Then Pixie. And there goes my chance of getting meows out. Okay, let me try snipping it again. I want to get meows out, which is one of the cats, but I haven't gotten him yet. This sticker doesn't have a meme on it. Maybe it's because this is a special pack. Let me put these back. So, do you think it's because it's a special pack? So, let's see. Put the cup on. And next we're going to do the brown milk. Okay, which ones do I want from? Which ones do I want that come in brown?
Yeah. Unbelievable. That's
Would you
all.
like a beer, Mom?
I didn't bring your leash on.
Would you like a beer?
What?
Would you like a beer?
Have Eugene, Stomp, Lofi, and
I
Cheesy.
didn't bring your
So
leash along, I forgot. And,
so the white's all common, the brown's all real, and the pink's all ultra
put 'em
rare.
on my lap.
So and the rainbow's all just and the rainbow just means series too. Let's see. One of them should be double packed.
And he
Have
just
two
looked at the
bags.
cat and he barked, couldn't do nothing. He was just a good boy that day.
It's very unusual for him to be that good.
Yeah.
He's good, but boy, that's extremely good to sit on his lap and watch all the animals.
Mommy, is it going to be the white one where we get 2 cats? Because I was supposed to get 5 cats.
Oh, you didn't do nothing, just looked at him. So that's really unreal for him. But he knows that he didn't.
I accidentally looked at it. It's cheesy.
Did you see as I turned him up a little bit?
And I thought this was another rocket, but it's a hot dog.
Take him on this next
Am I
one.
going to get a 5th cat?
But they
What if I
And
don't?
then you have to pay less.
There's supposed to be 5 cats.
All
Right.
his ears done and his back end done, like they did it.
We can eat his teeth work on, or?
I can't afford that. I'm not gonna be able to afford it. I brush his teeth every day. And he bothers.
Some bones, and the green ones, and it really helps with his back.
So here's Cheesy with his hot dog. Now let's get open these. Now let's get open. Let's cut
I
this.
can do it, so,
No,
I did it already.
no, I'm gonna have him straighten it out.
Real. I hope I hope the white ones has 2 lost kitties in it. What happens if it doesn't? And right off. And oh, okay. I think this one. Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure that this one does have 2 bags in it. This is definitely a new. I think I got a top, but this is a new accessory. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this one's a double bagged one. So a top and a bowl of chicken. Yep. So enough 2 bags in it. Now I don't know if they both come in white. If they're both from the ones that have. Don't know if they both have whites. If they're both cats that come in white stuff, or if they're different. Okay, so I've looked at the mean stickers. I won't show them to view that. But I've looked at them and I'm not going to see what's cat. I'm not going to check the guide there. So here we go. For some reasons one's bigger than the other one. And then the other accessories are probably in there. Is this the right way for the scissors? going to be washing my hands. Oh, it's adorable. I think it may be one from this cutie cat. I'll need to check my actual. I'll need to check the collector's guide at home, but it's just adorable. Me and all cats are adorable, of
I
course.
can't really see out my window if they don't clean
Now
it.
let's see which one.
I can't really see out my window if they don't really clean it.
We got Specs, and he's adorable with his white eyes. And now for the next one.
There's like in one direction, but not in the other direction.
No. This one's different bag. This one's not as cute. Cute cats, especially cute kittens, are adorable. See, what did we get? We got stuffs. Look how fat he is.
14 more?
But this one's my favorite. This one's my favorite so far. It's just adorable. Now there's the two.
Unless I can find something up here.
I'll open these up last. Should I wash hands now? Well, if I,
The best. Keep all the stuff going.
this is white clay, so it won't matter if I get white clay in it, right? Except it's rainbow white clay.
Can't be federal government. Some stuff. But yeah. Not very much, but some.
I wonder why this one's such a block. I wonder why this one feels like a block. This one, wait, this one actually, this one, So this one comes with both accessories, probably because there's 4 of those things and there's 5 cats. There's a cat in a bag from the meme sticker. I'm not checking which one it is until I finish unboxing it. Maybe, no wonder it's mine. I'm pretty sure I know why it feels like a box, so. It's not because it's not because of the fact that it's a series, and it's probably because this cat's in a bag. Let's just cut that a little bit more. It's all glittery. Look at it, it's glittery, but it's still not my favorite because this one's way cute. Look at it. It looks cute and so cute. Sorry, they always talking about it. I still need to open this. So the memes, and the memes, and the memes is rice sack. That's the meme. For the, it's on the meme sticker for the.
You watch your videos on YouTube.
I've also unboxed some more lost kitties. Do you think you could leave those videos linked in the description? So hopefully there will be a link in the description to the 2 other videos about lost kitties. So I'm in Minnesota right now. This is a season 2 one, so they gave us ones in different languages. Do you know, how do we do giveaways exactly?
I don't know.
I'm not going to keep them. I don't know. Let me see which one I got. I got totes. Now for these. Pretty sure there were some accessories. Let's see, like those tape involved. There's a ton of tape. And you can leave, and if you have any video ideas or like any types of videos that you want to see me make, then you can leave, then just write them in the comments. Let's see. So we get a bit more clay plus an accessory. So as you recall, there was only one accessory, and so there was only one accessory in all of the boxes, with the exception of the series 2 one, which had an accessory. It had both its accessories, and the series 2 one, which had both of its accessories, and the one that had the double cats in it. I'll probably rinse off this since I need to stuff afterwards, but we do get a bit more clay there. As I know, all of the extra clay that the accessories are, and right. I need to rinse my hands off. Mommy, do you think you could open these? I'm going to have my mom open them because I can't open them because my hands are too slippery from the clay. So the 5-pack's basically like a pack with the 5-pack's basically a pack with no, Daddy, because he's just so a ducky. So I'm pretty sure that the 5-pack is like an exclusive Lost Kitty pack with some exclusive kitties in it. Did someone open this one? I did. You did? So they opened this one. So that's why all the cats are different colors.
Let me come back here.
But the season 2 cat's a little cute. But still my favorites. But my favorite one out of all of them. Favorite out of all of them.
28th. 28th.
Oh,
Please after they kiss the
Is Bex. He's just so cute.
that day.
And by the way, black cats are not bad luck. We have a black cat and she's very nice, and we don't usually have bad luck when she's. When did you open this one too? When did you open that?
One where that rustic is
What?
dungeon what? Something like dungeon danger.
Castle danger.
Oh, castle. Why did I keep thinking it was dungeon?
What danger?
Castle danger.
What's? I'll need to ask my Oma what she's talking about.
Is that before Beaver Bay or right after? I don't remember. Well, it's not very far from Woodson, I know that.
So we got a little spoon. I don't know which accessories that those belong to, but anyway,
We
guys,
have to, we were thinking.
hope you enjoyed the video.
At,
Peace out.